Hey guys, I'm Sean Allen, your Houston area Acura guy. In this video, I'm going to go over everything you get in the 2020 Acura MDX Base Model. And the MDX is packed with a lot of different stuff. It's very, very hard to beat. You know, some of the technology you get, you have to pay a lot of money to upgrade on other manufacturers, and some of it, it's not even available. So let's go ahead, I'm going to get you dived in. The 2020 Acura MDX Base Model comes jam-packed with a ton of technology. A lot of these features are not available on other manufacturers. Some are, with big upgrades to the price. One of the great features with the Acura MDX is the Acura Watch technology. Behind this big Acura logo, there's actually a radar that will have your forward collision mitigation. It will also have your pedestrian alert. In the windshield there's also a camera which has your lane keeping assist, your lane departure mitigation, and your road departure mitigation. If you check right here, these are dual eye LED headlights. These are very, very efficient, very, very bright headlights. Surrounding the headlights, there's also a daytime running light. That's just going to make you a lot more visible, so it keeps you and your family safe. The Acura MDX comes with 18-inch alloy rims, standard with Michelin tires, and integrated turn signals to make you much more visible whenever you're changing lanes. Chances are, if you're looking at the MDX, one of the main reasons is because of the third row. There is easy access to the third row by pressing the button here. This will also make the seat fold flat. Again, it has a 60-40 split for easy access to the back. You can fit two car seats side by side, and by moving the other seat forward, you can still get in the back easily. Here's a shot of the back row with cup holders on the sides. Here is a shot from the other side. That way you can see how the 60-40 split works, so you can still have access to the back. The base model comes standard with a power tailgate and flat folding rear seats. You have a power outlet in the back, additional storage space as well, and a compartment to store even more items. The Acura MDX comes with keyless entry, and on the interior of the door you have one-touch power windows, memory seating, 12-way power seats. The 2020 Acura MDX comes standard with memory seating, mirrors, steering wheel, and climate control. It comes with a push-button ignition. This, when combined with keyless entry, makes for a very convenient and safe driving experience. Here are the buttons for the memory seating, the electronic parking brake, the brake hold feature, some of the Acura Watch buttons, the power steering wheel, the hands-free Bluetooth technology, the lane keeping assist, and the automatic cruise control. Here is a shot of the infotainment system. It comes standard with satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Remember, many of those features are not even available on some of the other manufacturers. It comes standard with a push-button transmission and a push-button engine start. Here's a shot of the push-button transmission. It has dynamic modes where you can select between comfort, normal, and sport mode driving. Sport mode driving will activate the paddle shifters to give you a much more fun experience. It also has wood grain on the console, on the front, and on the sides. If you look above, you also have the universal garage door opener and power for the moonroof. Just below, you also have the rear climate control with two 2.5 amp fast charging USB outlets. The Acura MDX comes with a 180-degree view rear camera with turning guides. You can also change the view to a narrow view or a top-down view. The MDX also comes with a true full leather interior. It's not a leatherette, it is actual premium leather. Hey guys, the Acura MDX is one of the very best cars that you can buy. The base model is packed with a lot of other technology that's kind of hard to talk about. It does come with heated seats. It has an 8-speaker premium sound system. It's got a very, very smooth, quiet ride. If you're in the Houston area and you want me to come take you on a test drive, come check out some of my contact info below. I'm going to be releasing some other videos about the other MDX trim levels as well as the other Acura lineup vehicles. Thank you so much for watching. Keep in touch. Let me know if there's a video you want to see. Maybe I'll make it for you. Thanks.